Okay, this is the scan tool. This is the scan plug. There's a universal plug like this, trapezoid shape under the dash. On this car, it's right under here. I'm trying to get a view of it with the camera. I don't know what you saw. Let's orient it this way. Plugs in like that. And then you have to turn the key on. Not just to the accessory, but actually to on, but not start. So the lights come on your dash and the check engine light comes on. And then you enter the information on the screen. Just please wait. Select vehicle to read the codes, yes. This is the enter button over here on the right. See if I can get the glare better. This is a Kia, so it's an Asian car, enter. So 2008, go down to 2008. Car, enter. Down to Kia. And it says different models. There's a Spectra. The Spectra 5. This is the Spectra. Enter. And I'm just going to go with 1. I don't know what 2 is. It says there's 1 code. Let's enter. P0449. Okay, don't know what that is. So we'll look that up on the internet. Go past here, and I'm going to erase the code to see if it comes back. Yes. Okay, so it's erased. So look that up on the internet.